Um, Based on what we're discussing on Yoruba people, we have a proverb that says that "Tí ọ̀rọ̀ bá sọnù, òwe la fi ń wá." The direct interpretation is that when you are short of words, when you are in a situation that you lost what you don't even have the word to say, but yet, as a Yoruba culture, it is expected of you to have a program that can actually address the situation, because we know or we believe that when you have that program, there will be words that will follow that you should be able to address the situation that is at hand. For example, it says that when you have a children that is misbehaving, and say, okay, only ọmọ ẹni òkú kì í ṣe ti ìdí bẹ̀rẹ̀ káfíńdẹ̀ kẹ̀sí ti ọmọ ẹlòmíràn. At least you don't okay, because you want somebody, you have a child and you have somebody else child, you don't address somebody else child and leave your own child. You have to someone to address your child, and you can go ahead and address somebody's child. So it's like when they took by NT cool lasho meji kimbuni lasho. If you don't have two clothes, you cannot say tomorrow I want to give somebody a cloth out. That means you're gonna go naked. So those are the kind of proverb that we have that address the first situation. That means when something is happening, we have by our culture, by Yoruba people, we have a proverb that address every situation of life, and that is one of the uniqueness of our culture, and that is one of the things that the difference in our culture, like I've been saying, is that when we have, let's say Africa is a place where we have cultures, the different culture that is so unique to us that no matter where we find ourselves, the culture that we share is still a big difference that differentiates us between any part of the world, and that is one of the reasons I have an argument with this, what is the global world new to democracy. And democracy is like imposing on us as Africans, but it's not the value, it's not the culture, it's not what defines us as people. That's why it's somewhat difficult for us to work with it. But like I've been saying, before the Western world came to Africa, they have a system that was working, and yet this system was working, things were working for them. But when they said the same code that they were discovered, nobody discovered Africa. Africa has been in the system for centuries. So it's just that they are doing their own business their own way. So this culture, the cultural difference, despite of the difference, they were still able to work together, do trade together, trade their gold, trade their diamond, trade everything they have. And they have been melting gold, melting everything for centuries, even before the Western world came. So all this uniqueness is what differentiates us from every part of the continent or of the world that we have today. And going back to Yoruba people, the culture is so deep that my own belief that anybody that wants to study Yoruba language, if that person is not careful, if he's not careful enough, he's going to go into the part that if he's calling the name of Jesus before, he won't be able to call that name again, because it's so deep enough that you will be able to understand the religion of Yoruba people, which is you practicing the fast as a means of consulting gods. So these are different uniqueness in Yoruba people, and when we try to practice everything that is not part of us, we struggle to do it. And the same thing applicable in the United States where we are, that average people on the street as African American, they need to try to say, okay, who am I? Yet our forefathers were brought here years ago due to one or the other. But how do I know who I am? Then they can know who they are from studying the society, the environment, and be able to see, okay, this is how we can shadow our part into ensuring that we clean up our system. We ensure that even though the system has been created to make some things happen the way it's happening today, but yet we can fix it by ensuring we orientate our people, by ensuring we make things that our children will understand that this is not the way it's supposed to be. We have a culture where our father comes from that differentiates from where we are today. And because we are forcing ourselves to become what we are not, that is where there is collapse, that is where there is insecurity. And that is why the advantage of us was being taken. So it might be it's a truth is always bitter, you know, it's always bitter for you, but that doesn't mean you cannot see the truth. And that is the problem we're facing in the African continent. That we are not facing the truth of what is happening to us. We try to dance around it. Oh, okay, we have to depend on the United States. We cannot depend on any country for us to build our country. No, we have to depend on ourselves. We have to rely on ourselves because before the Western world came, we were 60 and we were performing. So I believe that we can make things work and as we go on. Thank you, man.